Don't lane filter with a bus. Oh. Don't wear fingerless gloves either. What do you think happened? He's looking at the people in the bus. Everybody, don't look at the people in the bus. Anybody here have a dad that would do this? Hey, look at this hand. Boom. Anybody? Am I the only one? Anybody have that? Anybody have that? That's exactly what's happening here. Hey, look over here. Look over here. Look over here. Boom. Got hit by this. So what happened? We didn't hit anything. Oh, wait. What did we do? Smash. We got panicked. Don't do that. That's where the squeeze comes in, the progressive brake pressure. But that also plays into looking ahead. Don't look this way. Don't look over here. I'm going to smack you over here. Group ride, group ride, group ride. Ride your own ride. Don't. Oh. All right, so what I said right here is that we're coming up to the stop. We are in a group ride. Always remember, always remember, ride your own ride. Don't assume the people in front of you are going to go. Don't assume the people in front of you are going to stop. You need to use your situation awareness and understand every single person here is a potential obstacle and a hazard, even though you guys are together. Okay, so understand that. So this person stopped, and look, we already got somebody right here. This person stopped because it wasn't safe to do so, probably because this person's going. All these other people decided to stop, including this person. This guy didn't. They were not paying attention. Ride your own ride. Oh. So there's this simple impact, not that crazy, but it's a lot of damage to the bike. It broke the pipe. It broke a fairing. It broke all these things. And that's the thing. What can it do to your body? Oh. That right there. Look at his ankle. Now, imagine if the truck decided, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and go because it's okay for me to go. But then this person falls in front, doesn't see him because maybe they're looking the other way and it just goes. That's a scary situation. So always ride your own ride. This is where having a trauma kit, this is where having full gear, if you're the rider that crashed, this is where having all those things is very important. I mean, he luckily kept rolling. I'd be checking his body. Simple fact that he's not getting up. It could be psychosomatic. Could be that he, is embarrassed. All right, right there, 30 miles an hour, sharp left, sharp right. Let me guess, he's gonna make the first one, but not the second. Oh, he made it. Good. Slow down. This guy's slowing down. Woo! 360 situational awareness. Good job on the white rider. Not so good. Woo! Yeah, you got it. Oof. No buenos. So we're hauling butt through this area, okay? We're going crazy. We're having a ton of fun right here. So let's move forward a little bit. We navigated these turns at a high rate of speed. I mean, 67 in this area is probably too high. And then now all of a sudden the person up in the front decided, hey, we got to turn here. This is where having that communication system is very important. So if you have a Cardo Pack Talk Bold and use the code and the link and all that stuff in the description, you get discounts, but you're able to communicate, hey, we have somebody here. We're turning. Slow down. Now what's happening here is this rider, the one in the white rider, the one with the camera, sees this guy coming up really quick. So what he does is he moves out of the way. He's like, which way is he going? So he starts to go left now. You could see him over there in the right mirror. And there's the uh-oh. So he found an escape path. So he swerved out of the way, but he didn't swerve back. And that's the problem. So you see that rear tire? You see it's lifting up, and you see how he started doing this? That's because he's applying brake pressure. So when you apply front brake pressure, you start to move forward. Now, when you move forward, there's more weight on that front tire. So if there's more weight on that front tire, there could be more traction. So weight on it increases friction, increases traction. So when he's on it, so that's when you squeeze more and more and more. But there comes a point in time where it grabs a lot and you start to go up and over. Okay, so this is why you need to modulate your speed a lot better. So when you're squeeze, you need to be able to do that on road where you could have traction. He's about to go off road right here. And that's going to make it to where he loses traction. So there's that loss of traction right there. And then we start to slide. Okay, that front tire washed out. It washed out. Now he's going to hit that sign. Or the bike's gonna hit that sign, and he's gonna go head first, hands first. What do you think we have right here? Well, we got our phalanges. Okay, we got our carpals and metacarpals, but we also have all this fatty tissue. So that's a cushion for the typical I'm grabbing something. But on motorcycle gloves, you have abrasion resistant leather, right? So when you put your hands out, you're not ripping your fingers off. It's pretty sad, but that's what could happen. So you put your hands out, maybe you don't stop it all the way in time, boom. That's why you have a full face, okay? And that leg, same thing. So have your foot, thank you, Ryder Ryan. So have motorcycle boots, have everything. All right, so the audio is not the same. I think they might have messed up the audio. Whoa.
Good.
You okay?
Yeah.
We're moving on.
All right, hey, let's stay down. Stay down.
Anyways. Whoa.
You didn't see that? I almost got head on by the truck. Yeah, bro, I was like this close. Because when we turned in right here, this is our lane. He turned in to go that way. And I got it on GoPro.
Good job. So we're riding, having a good time. We're in our lane position. We have our blinker on. We're about to turn left, and whoa, you're both able to get into this lane. So that's why you have to be careful too. He didn't see this. We didn't see this vehicle till last second because of all the lights, motion-induced blindness, inattentional blindness, all those different things. Same thing for the truck. The truck couldn't see the motorcyclist either. But the thing is, he got himself out of the situation by swerving. Swerve to the right. All right. Situations like this is that there's that motion-induced blindness from a car driver where we kind of blend in to the background. And there's also inattentional blindness where they aren't seeing us. The brain does not like recognize that we're a motorcyclist or a person there. It kind of blocks us out. It's like photoshopping for our brain, just kind of blurs us out of that. So what we could do is when we